What's the meaning of circulatory? Circulatory. Circulatory.
Circulatory. Circulatory. Circulatory refers to the system of organs and tissues in the body responsible for transporting fluids such as blood, lymph, and oxygen throughout the body. This system includes the heart, blood vessels, and lymphatic vessels. The circulatory system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis by providing nutrients, oxygen, and other vital substances to cells while removing waste products and excess heat. It also helps to regulate body temperature, pH, and electrolyte balance. Overall, the circulatory system is essential for the proper functioning of the body's cells, tissues, and organs.